Do you like donuts? What if I made them with banana? It's not quite the same experience, but I think it will be interesting, so let's try. To make banana donuts, you need 2 decently sized ripe bananas. Mix them together with 75 grams or 2/3 cup of flour. A little bit of cinnamon. To taste, a tablespoon of vanilla sugar. And 2 medium eggs. Smash everything together in a nice consistent paste with a fork. When your mixture looks like baby food, it is done. To make sure our donuts are not solid rocks, I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder to a bowl. Together with a little bit of lemon juice. Not too much. Just half a teaspoon should be enough. Mix it together and add it to your baby food. Now, if you want to make a proper donut, you gotta use a donut shape. However, I don't have a donut shape because honestly, who has a donut shape laying around? What I do have, however, is this nice Christmas cake shape for Christmas cakes. It's silicone. It has these things in the middle to make holes. So that should work all right. Divide your mixture over your shape if you have one. If you do not care about having holes in your donuts, you can also use a cupcake shape or a muffin shape or any other shape you might have. Place your donuts in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Although I didn't use a proper donut shape, I still think they look pretty nice. You can sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles over them or some other decoration if you want. Alright, so first of all, the chocolate sprinkles were a bad idea. It sounded nice in my head, but they didn't really stick and they didn't really improve the appearance of the donuts. So if you're going to decorate them, it's better if you use something else, I think. But that's up to you. Second of all, when they're in the oven, I could really smell the cake and the banana, but right now they lost a lot of smell. So I hope that the taste will have stayed. Let's see. They are fluffy, so that's good. They taste like banana bread, not really like donuts. Still pretty good. I am not sure if I like real donuts more or these ones. They both have their charm. They still turned out pretty well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.